Chemical properties of alkynes part 2. This is the continuation of my last class. Next property, addition reaction. Addition reaction. Addition reaction takes place in which the triple bond, the molecules get added to the triple bond carbon atoms. Okay. So, two molecules are getting added to the alkynes. Okay. The molecules like hydrogen, hydrogen halide, then halogens X2, etc. are added to C triple bond C. Okay, because alkyne contains C triple bond C. First one molecule get attached to the C triple bond C and the bond gets converted into double bond. Again one more molecule gets attached, added to the C double bond C. Alkene. Okay, so again it gets converted into alkane. Okay, so the reaction, the addition reaction takes place in the following step. Let us see. C triple bond C plus HZ. Okay, HZ, H plus and Z minus, presence of H plus. Okay, acid. It gets converted into this double bond, triple bond gets converted into double bond and hydrogen atom is attached and a positive cation is obtained and C gets a positive charge. Okay, so this is called as vinyl cation. So first vinyl cation is obtained. Next case, the Z minus will attached to the positive side of the carbon atom. So the compound obtained will be double bond Z. Okay. This will be the product. So first molecule attached like this. The similar case repeats and it gets this alkene gets converted into alkene. So this is the steps involved in the addition reaction. Now let us see one by one. First one is addition of hydrogen. Okay. Addition of hydrogen molecule. Addition of hydrogen molecule. Or it can also called as catalytic hydrogenation. The reaction takes place in the presence of catalyst. Okay, catalytic hydrogenation. The reaction is similar to alkenes. Okay, take one example. Acetylene on reaction with H2. Okay, catalyst are platinum or palladium or nickel and this gets converted into an alkene. So acetylene gets converted into ethene. Okay. Again on reacts with H plus H2, it gets converted into ethane. Okay. So an ethane molecule is obtained. This process, this is catalytic hydrogenation reaction, similar reaction in the case of alkenes. Okay. Now next reaction, next addition of halogens X2. Next is addition of halogens. Addition of halogens are called as halogenation. Okay, halogens like Cl2, Br2, etc. Okay, now the reaction takes place in bromine water Br2, propyne, C triple bond CH, propyne. Okay, propyne on reaction with bromine water Br2, reaction takes place in CCl solution. Similar reaction in the case of alkene. Okay, so what will happen? CH3, 1, 2, double bond CHBr. Okay, 1, 2 dibromopropane is obtained. 1, 2 dibromopropane. Okay, again one more molecule Br2 is reacted and gets converted into propane C Br. 4 Br molecules gets attached. Okay, BrH. So this will be 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromo propane. Okay, will be obtained. This is another reaction, addition of halogens. Okay, and we know that bromine water in CCl4 is reddish orange color. Okay, it is reddish orange color. As soon as the product is obtained, the color decolorizes. So this is an important test for unsaturation reaction. Okay, this is an important test for unsaturation reaction. Next, third addition reaction is addition of hydrogen halide. Addition of hydrogen halide. This reaction takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. Okay, addition of hydrogen halides. Hydrogen halides. According to Markovnikov's rule. According to Markovnikov's rule, negative side of hydrogen halide will move to the carbon atom containing less number of hydrogen atom. We already studied. Okay. Now, take one example. In the case of acetylene, CH triple bond CH on reaction with HBr. Okay. This is a symmetrical molecule. So, the reaction will take place and form CH triple bond CHBr. Okay, sorry, CH2 double bond CHBr. One Br atom gets attached to the carbon atom. In the next step, so this is called as bromoethene. Okay, again this bromoethene reacts with HBr. What will happen? According to the Markovnikov's rule, Br will attach to the carbon atom containing less number of hydrogen atom. So, the product obtained will be CH2, CH3. Hydrogen will attach here and Br, H. Okay, this will be the product. The bromine will attach to the carbon atom containing less number of hydrogen atom, and the product obtained is 1,1-dibromo. Okay, 1,1-dibromoethane will be obtained. Okay, 1,1-dibromoethane. Now, similar in the case of propine, what will happen? Let us see. Propine. Propine means one hydrogen is replaced by CH3. Okay. So, what will happen? In this case, the Br will attach the carbon atom containing less number of hydrogen atom. Okay. So, Br double bond CH2. Okay. This will be the first product. First product is 2-bromopropene. Okay. 2-bromopropene. Now, again, the next molecule reacts, HBr. Okay. Now, in this case, the Br will attach the carbon atom containing less number of hydrogen atoms. So, CH3, CBr, Br, single bond CH3. So, 2,2-dibromo will be obtained. 2,2-dibromo propane will be obtained. This will be the product in the case of hydrogen halides. Follows Markovnikov's rule. Okay. Now, 2,2-dibromopropane. Now, next reaction is addition reaction. Next is addition of water. Water molecule. Addition of H2O or hydration reaction. Hydration reaction. What will happen? When a water molecule, the reaction takes place in mild conditions. That is in presence of mercuric sulfate, HgSO4, dissolved in dilute sulfuric acid at a temperature of 333 Kelvin. First, an unstable product is obtained. That unstable compound isomerizes and form the product. Okay, different alkynes give different products. First, let us see in the case of acetylene, what will happen? Acetylene, CH. Okay, acetylene on reaction with water molecule. Water molecule we can draw like this, H. Okay, this is water molecule. The reaction takes place in presence of HgSO4, in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, and a temperature of 333 Kelvin. So what will happen? This OH will attach to one carbon atom and H will be attached to the other carbon atom. So the compound will be OH, okay, double bond CH2. Okay, now what will happen? This isomerizes and form, what will happen? H will move here and double bond will shift towards here, okay, here towards here, and H will move here, and so the product will be CH double bond CH3. Okay, this will be the product. This is an aldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde will be obtained. Acetaldehyde will be obtained. Okay, and acetaldehyde will be obtained in the case of acetylene. This is vinyl alcohol. Okay, vinyl alcohol is isomerized. Okay, now what will happen in the case of propyne? This one H is replaced by CH3. CH3 double bond CH2. Similarly reacts with OH. Okay. Similar reaction, presence of HgSO4, sulfuric acid, solution dissolved in sulfuric acid. Okay, dilute sulfuric acid at a temperature of 333 Kelvin. This what will happen? One OH will attach here and this H will move here. So what will happen is CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, sorry, COH double bond CH2. This will be the product CH2. It will be triple bond CH. Okay, it's propyne hydrolysis and form. This is enol. This is called as enol. Enol will be obtained. This enol isomerizes and form What will happen? Moves here and hydrogen will move here. Okay, so CH3 C double bond O CH3. So this will be a ketone. This will be acetone is obtained. So different products are obtained for different alkynes. Okay, acetone is obtained. This is the addition reaction. Okay, next class we will continue the chemical properties of alkynes.